Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Mishi Wang. If you're new here, welcome. Join the family. Click that subscribe button down below. Guys, today I'll be doing a review on this synthetic wig. I did say synthetic, that's right. So if you'd like to see how I style this hair, then keep on watching. Hey girlfriends, what's up? It's your girl Mishi Wang. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Join the family. Click that subscribe button down below. In today's video, I will be doing a review and an installation of a 30 inches curly wig that I got from a company from AliExpress. All right, so I don't quite remember the name of the company, but I'll put all that information down in the description. So if you are interested in getting this wig or getting further information on the unit, then please do check the description for that link. All right guys, so this is what the wig looks like. This is the construction, the inner part of the wig. The sewing, it's somewhat like a T part. It has the elastic band. It also has those combs. Yeah, so that's it for the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit more about this wig since I didn't really do that much in the video. It is a, as I said before, 30 inches. It is synthetic, as I said, and because it is synthetic, there is not much room to style the hair really. All right, so say for instance it was a human hair or virgin hair or whatever, it would give me much room for manipulating the hair, but because it's synthetic, it tangles very easily, so I had to be very careful with the hair. And I found that conditioner, it didn't really do much to get the hair like loosened whenever it got tangled. All right, so you have to be mindful of that because it's synthetic and it's curly, so it can get tangled very easily. All right guys, but other than that, the wig was fine. Go ahead and watch me installing the wig. I was pretty impressed with how the wig laid. I was pretty impressed with I could style it. Like guys, you saw the intro and you saw the thumbnail to this video, so you did see that this synthetic unit was bringing. All right, it did give me some amount of vibes. It did its thing and I'm pretty pleased with that. I'm pretty impressed with that fact, but I did have to go ahead and tell you what I think about it and it being synthetic. All right, so I basically just went ahead and installed it and styled it. All right, so there is not much more for me to say right here. So guys, just continue watching, watch till the end. You will not be disappointed, trust me, pinky swear on that. All right, so keep on watching till the end. Let me hear down in the comments what you think about this unit, if you think you'd get this unit, and as well some other video suggestions of some other ideas of videos that you'd want to see me doing. All right, so go ahead, let me do that over. So guys, go ahead and put down in the comments some video suggestions for me. I need some suggestions. All right, so continue watching guys until the end. Alright guys, so this is how the hair turned out. It is very long. Guys, it can be hard to manage if you don't know what you're doing. If you want to have it looking a little bit sprucey or a little bit more revived, then of course you can go ahead with your mousse and some oil sheen. Alright, so this is the hair I was looking. To be honest guys, I am impressed with a synthetic wig to be looking this good, my baby hair to lay this good and all. I am impressed. I would definitely recommend you bend hair. Just a few things to note. Remember, I was showing you some parts of the hair of the wig, like it has some straight short cuts. I'm not sure how those come in, but of course the style that I did, it covered all those areas. So this style is looking perfectly on this wig. If I do wear it straight, then I will try to insert clips, but if not, then you can always check out my Instagram for pictures in the future. Alright, so guys, this is where I end this video off. If you have any question, any comments, then you can feel free to hit me up on Instagram or let us chat down in the comments. I'll also put in the description to this video the link to this here on AliExpress. Alright, so you could check the description for that link. Alright, so this is all. There's not much more I can say about this unit. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, for more hair videos, for more fashion videos, for more beauty videos. Go ahead and leave your suggestions down in the comments of some other videos that you'd like to see me doing. Alright, so this is where I end this video off. Once more, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much as well for watching all the way to the end. Bye.